How to add icon on your Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add icon on Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for icon. In order to add icon, just simply toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet home page. Now click on icon. You can see two options, send and receive. If you want to receive icon, then just simply tap on receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive icon from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add icon on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.